Cha, engizidayisile izwe lethu bafowethu sekuphelile ngathi. Yabona ngikubone namhlanje ngiyokuxoxela amagwaba bexubana ngisho kanjalo isiZulu. So besiyomashaka namhlanje e-Eddington Primary School, and from observation or from information esiyitholile, lesa sikole lesa sirana ama-foreigners. From othisha to staff to support staff, angingayibali ke ey'ngane over 700 ezi-undocumented ezingama-foreigners, yet ziyafunda laphana. Out of 13 teachers, out of 13 teachers, only 9 teachers are foreigners, and the administrator osebenza lapha e-Eddington Primary School naye is a foreigner. The person who is responsible from accepting application wengane i-foreign, so that's why kugcwele ama-foreigners kulesa sikole, ingoba kusebenza ama-foreigners. Kuphelile ngathi South Africans. Into eniyaziyo nina ukuthi nilwe la ku-social media, makumele siphume siyolwa, niyalala nina. Niyalala, nicina ngokusupporta ku-social media, nicina ngokusupporta le movement ku-social media, nikhohle ukuthi the very same kids that the government is protecting, mase beqeda ukufunda, they are going to go to their country, they are going to serve their country, and what will happen to our South African children who will remain unemployable and uneducated because they were denied, they were robbed their right and privilege to education. Mhlambe lento isayijoke kuwena noma uyibukela kude noma usabona ngazi ukuthi it's not that deep, ngoba nake ingane zakho ziyafunda. Nami ingane iyafunda, akekho affectekile ekhaya directly, but I am fighting for my country. I am fighting for the future of our kids, for our future. Uma singasukumi thina, akukho kuzolunga. The same government is protecting the people who are ruining, who are destroying our country. The same people who feed our brothers and sisters ama-drugs. The same people abadayisa osisi bethu ngemizimba. Now, kuzoba February, the students are coming back to town. The students will need accommodation in town, South Beach, blah, 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 blah. I'm a friends actually ball. And let me tell you something. These people do not pay the same rent as us. They don't pay the same amount. Guys, and your kids will come la to study. And they will end up into prostitution because of what? Because of these people. While ingane zabo ziya esikolweni and they feed our kids drugs and introduce them to prostitution. Nina nihleli lapha emakhaya anifuni ukuthi silwe lizwe lethu. Why kumele uJacinta alwe yedwa? Why kumele alwe yedwa? Ingane yakhe iyafunda uJacinta. But still we're fighting for the future of our children. We are fighting for your kids as well. Ingane yami iyafunda nami. Isitholile isikole segoli. But I am fighting here for your future, for the future of our kids, for the future of South Africa. Because the Constitution is working against us as South Africans. And what are we going to do about it? Labantu laba, they win our cases at courts, the cases that favors them in our expense. In our expense. And then, South Africa, I appeal. I want to appeal our cases, our Constitution that is holding us back. Imali yethu le tax. How many people qualify for SRD grant but they're not getting that grant? While there are foreigners who are getting the SRD grant, while there are foreigners who are getting NSFAS. Kodwa ingane kukhona ingane ehlele ekhaya manje asinayo yokufunda. While we are paying tax, while abazali balezo ingane they are paying tax, yet they do not qualify for NSFAS. What has become of our country? Protecting the people who hate us. These people hate us. And what are we going to do about it? Sizothula social media phela. Cha, hlangana Zulu. Lento le inkulu lento. Yabona njengoba siphuma thina siyomasha, abantu balele kuba ngazo umdlalo lento esiyenzayo because aniphumi ngokuningi. Kwenzakaleni ngeKZN? What happened to hlangana Zulu? What happened? Niphuma when it only favors you. Apa ma-influencer. Aba involved only when they're getting paid. I'm a paid partnership. Who make them influencers? Itina. Yet when we need them, where are they? Bapi. No. We need to stand up. We have unemployed graduates. Yet ikole corner like down are occupied by foreigners from othisha to support staff, and we need to put that into the end. We're going to march, protest and march until we win. We're not going to sit and fold our hands while a country is being looted. We are not going to do that. And njengamanje it's not about ukuthi uba uMK uba uNC siyahlangana sonke siwuZulu. It's not about political parties. It's not about us grouping ourselves into our own political parties. Sine vision eyodwa, silwela into eyodwa. When we MC, EFF, what. Wozuzo lelizwe lakho. It's not only our responsibility as umkhonto wesizwe ukuthi silwele izwe lethu.
Hi sanibona guys. Yo hayi kunzima eSouth Africa. Ilizwe liyabhubha. Ha. Kuthiwa i-Eddington Primary School irano ama-foreign. And this thing chaza kona ukuthi sisengotini guys. Which means ama-university amaningi nakhona it's possible ukuthi kuma-executive positions kunama-foreigner. That is why bantwana bethu bangawatholi ama-NSFAS. And i-future yabantwana bethu, i-future yabo sisi bethu isengcupheni. Which means in 10 to 20 years, our youth in South Africa iyobe ikuma-drugs, iyobe uneducated, only foreigners labatobe bafunzile, labatobe banetico. I-youth yethu iyobe ituwetitsame. As long as South Africans singabambani, sikele udebate nala kungafanele sidebate khona, because this thing is clear. Even if sibathanza bantu bokuqhamuka, sibathanza abantu baseNigeria, Zimbabwe, angeke uthi uthanza umuntu but bantwana bakhe babe right kunebakakho. Kudla lokumele kudliwe bantwana bakho kudliwe sihambe. Indzawo lekumele kuhlale khona umntwanakho kuhlale sihambe. That's dangerous. Ngolo kwenda ukuthi umntwana akuzonde. Even if ngabe nitalwa umntwana monye, even if ngabe nitalwa ebatali labayi-1, same mother, same father, if ever you give the other child something and you left the other child, by doing that you're creating hate amongst those children. So kukani kanani if umlanza mntwana kamakhelwane, ulanza mntwana longasuwo wakho, umphe kudla while wakakho alambile, ulanza mntwana ngaphandle umgqokise while wakho ahambaze. That's the danger. That's hate. So black people, black South Africans, asihlangene nisebenza wonke and fight this thing. This is war. This is war that ANC has created amongst us. This is the situation. This is the chaos that ANC has created. We need to fight. Asibambaneni, sikeleni bugwala. Ngoba yeyishimagwala. Awuyibekile sisi. Kudala kakushiya. So if you've got something to say, please leave your comment and tell us your point of view. If South Africans are xenophobic, if South Africans are haters, or South Africans are fighting for their rights, or South Africans are fighting for their country, please comment with truth, nothing but the truth. Thank you.